everyone, this is Tina Crane the Heart, and today I am here to share a haul. So I'm trying to do a better job at not only doing my haul, but putting stuff away. And so I do have a pile of things, but not like I normally do. So I am doing much better. Like, I put away all the things I did from my Conquer the Ninth just about, so I feel good about that. When I'm done with this video, I'm going to put this stuff away, because I just cannot spend like a month cleaning my room. It's terrible. So scrapbook.com had a whole week of really good gifts for the week. So there's 7 days of summer. I don't know what 7 days of summer? I don't know what it was. But anyway, they had some stuff, and so I got some stuff. So I've been loving this Be Happy by Echo Park. I'm trying not to buy as much 12 by 12, much paper, unless something really catches my eye and I really want to make something with it. And so this Be Happy by Lori Whitlock is just so adorable, and I just love bee stuff. So here you go. I'm going to go get the bee stuff, and I did buy the coordinating solids because I wanted to get to 20 bucks. And the reason I wanted to get to 20 bucks, this is like a bunch of stuff that I need to sort out, look at later. Anyway, because they had these free gifts. So one of them I had gotten was the Distress Oxide Spray and the Pops of Color. And then I also did another, yikes, they have it all in. I did another order. Man, this is like on there. So sorry about all of that nonsense noise. Okay, put all this away. So yeah, so they had free gifts. So with $20 you got the new Pink Fresh Studio hot foil plate, and it's a two-sided plate, so it's got more spaced out dots, and then on the back side it's dots that are squished together. But you can dry emboss with these, just so you know. You don't have to heat emboss. If you don't have you know, a heat embossing machine, you can regular emboss with these. Just check on YouTube. They'll show you how to do it. I learned how to do it in Pink Fresh Studios class. So there's that. And then I also got from scrapbook.com these Maker Forte Heart of the Ocean transfer sheets. I just liked this because I'm feeling very summery, and these are really pretty. So these work with your hot foil machine. It says you can maybe use with deco foil transfer gels and adhesives, but I believe that you can just use these in your machine. So anyway, I've got those, so that's exciting. I'll put that there. And then I also got this, which is the deco foil iridescent, I think is what it is. I was going to give that a try. It looks very pretty. So there's that. Putting that down there. I've got my foil there. And then the free gifts. So they had a 1 day. So besides that hot foil day, so this was a really great day. So the hot foil day, I also was able to get the Doodle Pop bundle too if you spent $20. So I got both for spending $20. I got the hot foil plate. I got the 4-pack of doodles, which I am going to sit down one day and just use all my doodles. I haven't done that. I also got the Distress Oxide Pick Raspberry, so I'm going to have to do some stuff with Pick Raspberry because now I've got a couple of sprays. So that is what I got from scrapbook.com. And then from, I think, is it? Oh yeah, I think it's from Ellen Hudson. So Ellen Hudson, I think this is all from Ellen Hudson. I think it is. They had a clearance sale, so I got this, which is the Storybook Sentiments from Alta New. I've been wanting that actually. Even though I can make shadow box any day, every day, but this was such a good deal, I couldn't pass it up that I went ahead and got it. Because sometimes it's nice to just, you know, have it easy. But I've shown how to make shadow boxes on my channel, and it's very, very simple and easy to make one. But it could be fun to try that out. And then I got this winter porch pop-up easel set. So it makes this porch, this door, and it's an easel card. So I want to try that out. And then this was also on clearance, and this one is the boutique storefront. It's so tiny though. I didn't know it was going to be so little, but anyway, give it a go. And then I added these. Were these on sale? Did I want these? I have no idea. So I got those. And then they always give you a, these little things everywhere. They always give you this little, like twine. So I got a little piece of twine that's from Ellen Hudson. Okay, then from American Crafts. Oh, I'm sorry. The other thing I got from scrapbook.com is this black silicone mat, which I'm going to be using for my desk. So I got a couple of mink foils. So I saw somebody use clear mink foil, and I was like, there's clear mink foil? So I got it to try. I also got this gold honeycomb, and I also got this teal. So I got those because I do like to foil. That happens. Okay, so then the other thing is my Create in Quads subscription, which I have not used the last two that we got. I have just been crazy busy and have not had a chance to trying to like set my light. I had to get a new webcam again. The one that I got was defective. I had to get a new one, and then the one I got was defective, and it actually broke my my stand. So I'm still trying to figure out my lighting for it. But anyway, the other thing is I have not used my other two, but this one's very cute. So this is Quad of the Month Garden Party. So the Quad of the Month is a Tailored Expressions product. I believe it's exclusive to them. And it is amazing. So basically you stencil, you have 4 stencils in this case. You stencil different colors for whatever, and then you end up with 4 cards, 4 panels. So I can't wait to try this one. And then Lawn Fawn's new release. So this is only half, you know, because I usually buy at least $60 from Lawn Fawn because I want the gift. They give a free gift. And then the rest of it I got from the Not Too Shabby shop, and that one hasn't come yet, but mainly because this company's in Irvine, and I live like, I went to UC Irvine actually. I live very, very close to Irvine. So it's like half an hour driving in traffic to go to the Lawn Fawn store. So that's why it came so early, not because Not Too Shabby didn't get theirs out, but because I live down the street, basically. So I basically just got the ones basically that she was kind of sold out of, that Jamie was sold out of, and really because I wanted my free gift. This is the free gift, and that's exclusive to their storefront. So if you buy in their new release, they'll have some kind of a gift if you spend $60. So this is Simply Celebrate Pets, and it goes with their whole Simply Celebrate line that came out, which I don't know if I have that with me. I think I only got the dies, and I must have bought the stamp set from Not Too Shabby, I hope. Otherwise, that's just awkward. We'll see. But I got the Car Critters Road Trip add-on plus the die. And then this is a super cool little die on the road. So it really gives you that idea that your car is on the road. So it's pretty cool. And then the free gift with Not Too Shabby is the Possum Birthday stamp set. So I picked up the die. And then they always give you a cute little stamp set. This is Thank You So Much, Cindy from Ivy. She's the one that packed it, and it says, I like you. So that's fabulous. I've been trying to use these little stamp sets. I kind of put them in a place. And then this just popped in here. It was in my stash of stuff. I do, you know, sometimes buy things from Etsy. So I've got somebody I follow who does mixed media, who I adore. It's Megan Quinlan. And anyway, she had these little packs of stuff that she handmade things that you could get, which is nice because I like to see actually all the things so I can get an idea of actually what she's making. So I can know, like, I had some of her stencils. So she's just got just a bunch of stuff that she's made that she's kind of thrown in here. And so anyway, I've got all these little pieces that I can then throw in to a project or mixed media or any of those things. So anyway, that is my haul, and now I'm going to put it all away. So that is the unfun part. I'm going to go do that. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.